now replacing the water pump, actually the motor pump on my BMW, because it's not actually cleaning the windshield. So it's easy actually to replace this. The motor is here and I diagnosed it. It has 12 bolts when you turn on the switch there. So there's a number 10 bolt here that secures it. Once I remove this one, I could pull it up and then probably drain it and then replace the motor. So I got the bolt out now, and you could actually just like pull it up. Yep. Then once you pull it up, there's a connector here for the level sensor. You're gonna disconnect it, and then also the connector for the motor. Basically this one just clips over here. You have to take it out, and then there's also this connector over here, and then you could drain it over here, or the fluid. You could actually just like pull the motor out. Actually it's better to pull the hose first. Hose out. Let's see the filter here. Filter is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. The old and the new one. Yeah, this one is like a Chinese brand and it's like around $9. Oh, look at that. It's working now. Some missing ones. We need to fill it up. And this one are all destroyed. That's why the one at the rears basically fell off. I'm gonna take this out and replace it. These are all bad. Okay. So we're gonna put in the replacement ones. Yep, just put it there. Now we need the ones that has the rubber gasket. Push that one here. And we need to insert the rods here to put them in place. Finish. Trim is there. And then grill is also done. This is one from Amazon. It's like $27 for a glossy plastic kidney grill, and these are my old one. Yep, should just snap in place. Hoping that it will just snap in place. Should. Yeah, I'll try some. Just snaps in place. So my shadow line trim here is complete, and there's the old black one, and I'm gonna do the other side. So to do the other side, you need to open up the door completely, and then just slowly snap this off. You need to do it slowly so that the clips will stay there, because the original clips hold better than the aftermarket ones. Yep. So just slowly snap this. Looking for that white terminal for the HomeLink, and it's actually like hidden well here on the harness behind the motor. This area here, it's not visible. So I was thinking that this is the one, but when I look at the wires are colored differently, and it doesn't match the one that I have here on my HomeLink. So this is the one that I got from the junkyard. I replaced the actually I have a missing one, so The switches for the moonroof still exist, but this one I just added it. There's like a panel here that you have to cut, and then I just put in the home link. So I'm gonna take out this plug and then put in this one. So this is the correct wiring for that. See, the color matches. Yep. And then I'm going to program the home link for this. There you go. I'm changing the armrest and that broken cup holder out there. There's a crack, and then this one needs to be changed too. So you just like pull this one out, and then it will reveal like 2 screws down here, and then you could take out this whole. Cut it out, pull it out. And usually this stuff, this cover is broken, so you don't need to roll it up. And then there's a connector here. That out. There's like 2 screws that hold the whole thing. I'm gonna take out this cover here. And then it will expose the clips for the armrest. I'm going to take out this clip, this spring clip, both sides. I'm going to use a long nose plier to take this out. Yep. Those clips will fly away when you release spring them. Clip out. You can pry this this connector here. Yeah, note the orientation. And usually the this ridge is on top, and same thing on the other side. Yep. And once that's out, you could this could be taken out. The 2 covers on the side, and once you remove that, it's just gonna slide out. So if you look at mine, this is really bad. You cannot like just pry this rubber out, because this is like 1 hole. I think you could try, but it will crack like this. Yeah. You don't even actually need to like open this one or loosen the screw, because you don't need to actually like change this. So I'm going to put the new one in. My replacement one, the armrest is it's a little bit faded, but I think it's way better than the old one that I have. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. But if you open this one, yeah, this is way better. Yep, I'm just like putting the new one in. It will just slide in. Yep. Then once you have that, you're gonna put the clip back in. Then the other one too. I don't know what's the orientation on this one, but I should probably use the original clips instead of the the one that comes with it, rather than the original one. The clip, these 2 covers are in. You could put back this stuff, it will just secure it. Same thing with the other side. Yep, make sure the orientation is correct. And then this spring goes over here, and then we need to rotate it so that yeah, I need a plier for this. Clips are in. Make sure that it goes like this, and when you open it up here, it springs back, and then that's it. Oh, I'm thinking of like replacing the switch there, maybe, since I open it up. I don't know, but yeah, you could like tilt it up and then replace the switch there. This is the switch that comes with it. Yeah, this one looks better. So I just pop this out, replace it with a new one, then put the connector back in, and actually it's way better. Put the cover for this back in. I think I need to figure out how to place this properly. It will just snap back in.